Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, one thing that I forgot to talk about, I always like to do the anniversary of Windows 10. So July the 29th, a few days ago, it was officially the 8th anniversary of Windows 10. So I remember some of you were with me on this channel and we were waiting anxiously for the release, the official release, so we can download and install it. You know what? The Windows 10 release was interesting because for the first time in a long time, I think, we were all excited to see something new in what is Windows 10. And it was kind of interesting to note that, there was some excitement there. And even the Windows Insider program that was actually announced with the release of Windows 10 was interesting. It was exciting, and so some of us enthusiasts wanted to be in the Insider program, try the new features, and see the new things happening all the time. And of course, with the Windows 10 operating system getting updates all the time, and we were in a mode of, well, this is Windows now, continuing forever with the same version until we got Windows 11 by surprise. And it's interesting because I think that for most people, Windows 10 first of all, Windows 10 is a huge success. It is the operating system that had the most, there's no Windows ever reached the amount of PCs that Windows 10 had for a operating system for Windows. So 1.5 billion at some point. The PCs around the world had Windows 10. Clearly a winner, clearly a great operating system, still great today. I still love it. I use Windows 11 a lot. I like Windows 11, but you got to say that Windows 10 still looks great and still is pretty amazing when you think about it. So my question for today is, do you love Windows 10? And would you have preferred Windows or Microsoft to continue Windows 10 the way that we all thought it would be? That is, just continuing to evolve Windows 10 into something better all the time, rather than have a completely new system that has this really high minimum requirement? Or are you in the, no, I like the fact that there's a new Windows. I like the fact that Windows 12 will be there next year. I'm kind of mixed. Part of me was, if you did or were capable of bringing features to Windows 10 that would have been like Windows 11, like when we heard about Sun Valley, then why not have continued with Windows 10? But then again, I'm kind of like Windows 11, and if it does help bring it in a very different direction, I kind of like that, and I'm an enthusiast, so I like the fact that changes are coming. But for the most people, I know that this Windows 10 is probably the only thing they want, and probably would like this to be the final Windows that just continues to update forever. So do you like Windows 10? Do you like Windows 11 better? What do you think? You like the future the way it is now with Windows 11, Windows 12? You'd rather have Windows 10 continue the way it is forever? Put your comments below, and it'll be interesting to read that. So 8th anniversary, just passed a couple of days ago. 8 years of Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.